Today in the grain market, everything is lower. Soybeans are down again. Export demand is really in a slump right now as Brazil's harvest is leading the world market. May futures were down 17 and 3/4 cents. We got down to 10.08. Now, option open interest, added calls, selling puts, both in April and in May. Usually that would mean that the selling is a little bit slowing, but all bets are off right now as to where these markets are going. CVAL for soybeans is at 15% with the soybean oil at 28.3 and the soybean meal 21.4%. Corn did fall further as well. There's more follow-through selling, large liquidation of non-commercial traders. I think, again, everybody kind of running for the sideline. We've lost basically all gains for 2025. And in 9 sessions, corn did suffer a 62 and 3/4 cent drop. We were down 14 and 3/4 today to 454 and 3/4. That's a low we haven't seen in a while. But fundamentals are not that bad. It just seems the momentum of the sell-off has kind of taken over the market a little bit. Option open interest added in April, added 3,500 calls. I mean, the highest call strike is at 520. So we're a ways away from where the highest open interest is. Even on the May, the highest open interest is on $5, 520, 550 calls, and those are all well above 20,000 contracts. So something to keep an eye on if we get a reversal and start to move back up. So we're not there yet. CVAL is at 22%. Wheat today lower. There is that technical selling to start this week as we enter the final stage of dormancy. So there's a couple other issues here. Have been dry in the Southern Plains for a while for wheat, and we're also watching what's happening in Russia and how they're pricing out their wheat contract. The futures did decline again today. In May, we were down 6 and 3/4. We got down to 545 and 3/4, and we're less than 10 cents away from actually making a new contract low. So let's keep an eye on that if we get further selling coming up. Option open interest, of course, added to the April calls, even to the May calls, an awful lot. So again, that normally means that we're going to be rallying, but the market will start to slow down, or at least whichever way it's going. So in the downside here, I thought that would kind of slow a little bit. The CVAL is at 29.3% today. We haven't really seen this kind of sell-off in years. I think the uncertainty has traders just rushing to the sidelines right now. As soon as everyone gets back in and kind of clears up any uncertainty, that we're going to see the market start to firm back up again.